first of all, Ramadan Mubarak for everyone. I arrived just in time for Iftar. I would like to congratulate Mr. Aftkhar for opening his second store. But I would like to tell you that when you do business in Mississauga, specifically in Arab Mills, you'll figure out that you didn't do business before. That's different. I tell you that, and I know what I'm saying, and we'll meet again some point in time, and you will remember, and will say, you told me that, and I'm telling you that now. And in regards to public representatives, I mean, you're a representative when you are not there, like when in the parliament. But here's the public. So you don't need a representative. I'm here to join you. So congratulations. I have a token of appreciation for you, so I don't know if we should give it to you or wait until everybody speaks. So this is for you in behalf of myself, on behalf of Premier Duckford and the government of Ontario. We wish you all the success.